I'm Brigadier General Doug Wickert, commander of the 412th Test Wing. The environment today is dynamic and fast-changing. That is true of life in general, and even more significant with respect to military operations. Mission command is essential for success in a military context that is rapidly changing. What does that mean? We need our airmen empowered to make time-critical decisions that are aligned with commander's intent without always having to check in with us first. That's mission command. I know there are going to be situations where guidance doesn't exist, or the existing guidance conflicts with what the right, rational act at a time would be given the situation. In those cases, I want all of our Big A airmen ready to make the right call. If I were to put it on a bumper sticker, mission command would simply be communicate, delegate, tolerate. Commanders have a responsibility to articulate and clearly communicate commander's intent, then delegate authority to make decisions. I firmly believe the best decisions are made at the layer where the information is richest, and that's where decisions should be made. I trust you to make decisions that support my commander's intent. Sometimes you may make a decision that I would have made differently. That's okay. Of course, there's a balance point between leaning forward and falling over. In the embrace of mission command, I want you biased towards action. I want you to make the best risk-managed decisions that you can and do so at the speed of relevance. If the decision turns out to be wrong, we'll take the lessons learned and move on. Mission command is not an excuse to cut corners or to neglect inconvenient responsibilities. My responsibility as a commander is not abdicated with mission command. I'm still accountable for the decisions that you make. So make judicious decisions and consider what decision you think I would make with the same data and information that you have. If our normal command and control mechanisms still work, they should be used if the situation permits. But if a decision needs to be made, you don't need my permission to lead. I can't underscore how important mission command is going to be in the potential conflict we see coming. The fog and friction of war is very real and very confusing. I need you to understand my intent. Make the best mission-aligned decisions that you can with the information that you have, and trust that I've got your back. The alternative is stagnation, and that is a pathway to defeat and mission failure in an era of great power competition. I trust you. I trust you not to abuse mission command by using it as an excuse to do whatever you want to do. If you have doubt or uncertainty, now is the time to ask the questions. Make sure you understand my commander's intent. I trust you to lead. I trust you to make the best decisions you can. I trust you to reinforce and help build a culture of mission command across the 412th Test Wing. Our mission is to test and evaluate advanced aerospace systems. Our world-class installation and mission support is critical to the success of our T&E mission. My commander's intent is that the 412th Test Wing embrace mission command to accelerate war-winning capability to the warfighter. The warfighter is counting on us. We cannot fail them. Go lead.